In this video, I'll show you how to add an appointment booking system to a Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding. And even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you have to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, go over the form section, and right down here you'll see appointment booking. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this video, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 5 tabs here which are services, hours, profile, design, and settings. The first thing you need to do is add a service by clicking this add service button. Here you can add a service name, a description, and a picture by uploading a file or upload from URL. Furthermore, you can add a time duration and the price. Then you can click this 3 dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, hide, or delete the service. You can also click and hold any service like this if you want to change its positions in the widget. And you can also add a widget title here. Now let's move on to the hours tab to add the opening hours. You can do it by clicking over here on a day, then you can toggle available on or off, and set the time depending on your schedule. For example, if you don't work on Monday, you can go ahead and toggle it off so the customers won't be able to book on Mondays. You can also go ahead and add date-specific hours if you open on holidays. Then over here you can add the minimum and maximum advance bookings. And lastly, you need to set the time zone, which is very important for your schedule. You can go ahead and choose the time zone here. After that, let's move on to the profile tab. Here you can choose whether you want to display your business profile or not by toggling the switch on or off. If you choose to show it, then you can go over here to customize the business name, description, cover, and logo. To replace or delete the cover or logo, you simply just have to click the photo and click this replace or delete button. You can also go down here to add phone number, WhatsApp, Instagram, address, email, and website. Once you finish with your profile, let's move on to the design tab. Here you can choose the embed type. There are 3 options here which are inline form, inline button, and a floating button like this. For this demo, I'll just stick with this basic inline form, but you can go ahead and choose other options and settings according to your need. After that, you can change the widget width, background color, text color, accent color, and font. Lastly, let's go to the settings tab. Here you can set the booking form items that the customer should type, such as name, phone number, email, and notes. Then you can set the notifications and add your email here, which are very important, otherwise you and your customers won't be able to get the booking confirmation and notifications. And after that, you can change the language and edit text of the widget here. You can also integrate this appointment booking widget with your Google Calendar, Google Sheets, and Zapier to keep track of your appointments. For example, if you want to integrate this widget with your Google Calendar, just go ahead and click it. Then click this button and follow the next steps to connect it. Once you are ready to add your widget to a website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I'll add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the outside code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. And you can also set the size of this section by clicking and dragging this arrow up or down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really match my website. So here I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. And as you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have an appointment booking system on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.